Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel P for Physics, and today I am going to show you how to do some mathematical operation using Python program. Now it's a very easy task and it is a very easy language to do that. You just have to assign the variables first. Let's say I'm assuming a equal to 12, and then I'm assuming b equal to 8. I'm using it in Python interpreter. You can do it in Python compiler also. But let's see what would happen if we add these two numbers. What would it give us? Now for addition, we just have to do this process in like the mathematical operation. Just type a plus b and then type enter. Now you can see it adds a plus b and giving the result 20, as it is obvious. Now let's see the subtraction process. So for subtraction, I'm typing a minus b, type enter. Its obvious result, it would give 12 minus 8 equal to 4. Now we will do the multiplication process. For multiplication, we have to type a star. In keyboard you have to type the asterisk and star b and type enter, and as a result you can see here 12 times 8 gives 96. So it's going well. Now come to the division process. So for division, just write a backslash b and type enter, and it gives 1. Why 1? So it is a question that a backslash b always give you the quotient. Here the quotient is 12 divided by 8. It will be 1, and the remainder would be 4. For remainder, you have to type a percentage b. Let's see what would happen. It is giving 4 as a result. And for exponent or the power of something, say a to the power b, we just have to type a double star b, type enter. It gives us a huge number, 429981696. And for rounding off, we just have to type like a double backslash b, just type enter. You can see here it gives us 1 as a result, as it is a quotient. I have already told you before that a backslash b, that means a divided by b, gives you the quotient here, not the actual answer as you get in mathematics. So in Python, mathematical operations goes in this way, and in next videos we would discuss how to do other mathematical operations like counting a Fibonacci series, or how to find a odd number or even number in a list, and so on. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like it, please subscribe to our channel.